Hey there, Smart Choice family. Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into something that's going to revolutionize your weekend routine, the top 5 cordless lawnmowers that are absolutely crushing it in the market right now. If you're tired of dealing with gas, oil changes, and that stubborn pull cord that never seems to cooperate, then stick around because these electric powerhouses are about to change your life. Let's kick things off at number 5 with the Greenworks 80-volt, 21-inch brushless cordless electric lawn mower with axial leaf blower combo, the versatile lawn care solution that's been making waves. This impressive cordless mower doesn't just cut grass, it's like having a complete lawn care arsenal in one package. What makes this stand out is its dual battery system that keeps you going when one battery runs low. Plus, you get that extra leaf blower thrown in for ultimate convenience. The brushless motor technology means you're getting serious power without the noise pollution that drives your neighbors crazy on Sunday mornings. The 3-in-1 functionality gives you complete flexibility, whether you want to mulch those clippings back into your lawn for natural fertilization, bag everything up for a pristine finish, or side discharge when you're tackling longer grass. With adjustable cutting heights and LED lights for those early morning or late evening sessions, this combo kit really delivers on versatility. Moving up to number 4, we have the PowerSmart 80-volt Max 21-inch brushless self-propelled lawnmower, a self-propelled beast that's perfect for anyone who wants maximum control over their mowing experience. This particular model really shines with its variable speed self-propulsion system that lets you match your walking pace perfectly, whether you're taking your time around flower beds or powering through open areas. The brushless motor, paired with that durable steel deck, means you're getting professional-grade performance that'll last for years. What really impressed me about this one is the intelligent battery management. You're looking at substantial runtime that can handle most residential properties on a single charge. The foldable design is a game changer for anyone dealing with limited storage space, and the fact that there's zero maintenance required means more time enjoying your perfectly manicured lawn and less time in the garage. Our number 3 pick is the SENIX X6 60-volt Max 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawnmower, which brings some serious innovation to the table with features that feel almost futuristic. The smart display technology gives you real-time feedback on your mower's performance, which is incredibly helpful for optimizing your mowing patterns and battery usage. The self-propelled system on this model feels incredibly smooth and responsive, making it feel almost effortless to maneuver around obstacles. The brushless motor delivers that gas-like performance we all want, but with the clean, quiet operation of electric power. The 3-in-1 cutting system transitions seamlessly between mulching, bagging, and side discharge, and those LED lights mean you can extend your mowing window into the evening hours. The battery technology here is particularly impressive. Not only does it provide excellent runtime, but the charge level indicator takes all the guesswork out of planning your yard work sessions. Taking the number 2 spot is the 40-volt brushless 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawnmower, a mower that's been getting incredible feedback from homeowners who demand both power and convenience. The dual battery setup here is brilliant. Having 2 batteries means you can literally mow for hours without interruption, and the super fast charging system means you're never waiting around. The brushless motor spins at an impressive speed that cuts through even thick, challenging grass with ease, while the rear-wheel drive provides excellent traction whether you're dealing with flat terrain or slopes. The 4-in-1 functionality gives you more options than most mowers in this category, and that 5-second folding mechanism is genuinely impressive. You can go from mowing to stored away faster than you can say, "Job done." The ultra-quiet operation means you can actually have a conversation while mowing, which is something you definitely can't do with traditional gas mowers. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Ego Power Plus LM2135SP 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower kit, the mower that's been consistently impressing both homeowners and lawn care professionals alike. This powerhouse combines everything you want in a premium cordless mower with some standout features that really set it apart from the competition. The Select Cut multi-blade system is genius. It lets you customize your cutting performance based on your specific grass type and conditions. The touch-drive self-propelled technology puts complete control literally in the palm of your hands, making it incredibly intuitive to operate. What really sold me on this model is the incredible battery life. You're looking at up to an hour of runtime on a single charge, which is more than enough for most properties. The fact that you get not one, but two high-capacity batteries means you can tackle even the largest yards without breaking stride. The 8 different cutting height positions give you precision control over your lawn's appearance, and the 3-in-1 system adapts to whatever your lawn needs on any given day. Each of these mowers represents a significant step up from traditional gas-powered models in terms of convenience, environmental impact, and overall user experience. The cordless revolution has truly arrived in lawn care, and these 5 options prove that you no longer have to compromise on power to enjoy the benefits of electric operation. What really excites me about all of these options is how they're changing the entire lawn care experience from a chore into something that's actually manageable and even enjoyable. No more gas station runs, no more oil changes, no more fighting with pull cords on cold mornings. Just grab your mower, press a button, and you're ready to go. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more smart purchasing advice. I've included links to check current pricing and availability for each of these mowers in the description below. And trust me, you'll want to see what kind of deals are available right now. Drop a comment and let me know which one caught your attention, or if you have experience with any of these models. Until next time, keep making those smart choices.